Tired of Valorant feeling more like a slideshow than a smooth tactical shooter? Let's fix that lag and ping with Exitlag right now. First, head over to exitlag.com. I've dropped a link in the description below for easy access. They offer a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. Create your account by entering your email and choosing a secure password. They might ask for a referral code. Feel free to use one if you have it, or skip it. Once your account's ready, download the Exitlag application. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your computer. It's a pretty straightforward process. Now, launch Exitlag. In the search bar, type Valorant. You'll see Valorant appear in the list. Click on Valorant. This opens up the server routing options. This is where the magic happens. You'll see the drop-down menus, select region, experiment with different server combinations. Typically, choose servers closest to your physical location for the best results. Start by selecting your general region in both boxes. Once you've picked your servers, hit the Optimize button. Exitlag will then route your Valorant traffic through its optimized network. Now, launch Valorant. Keep an eye on your in-game ping. You should see a significant improvement compared to before. Play a few matches and test out different server combinations within Exitlag to find what works best for you. That's it. Enjoy your buttery smooth Valorant gameplay. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.